Molly.
Wow. Wow.
That was mind-blowing. Did you expect that?
I did not expect that.
All right.
This home offers such an incredible mix of eclectic contemporary and the old character warmth and charm.
The charm. I mean, this is Ingleside, but on a whole new level.
Whole new level. It is wow. Wow.
I'm in shock. It's mind-blowing. I can't say anything else, can you?
I can't put it into words. Wow.
So, you need to come see this house. You can call Molly Muse or Joanna Jones, and you will never be the same. So call us. What's your number?
747-8898.
And mine's 478-731-1302. This is Macon, Georgia. It's in the heart of our hometown, which we love, and this is probably the most unbelievable house I've ever seen.
Macon at its finest.